Okay, Marcella, you ready to open your present from Great Grandma Dalkey?
Yes.
Okay, open it. She wrapped it really good, didn't she?
Yeah, that's cool. My presents. Presents are my favorite. Box. The box. The box. Another box.
It's a lot of work, isn't it?
I'm gonna get the box out. Can I?
Mm-hmm.
Cards.
What'd you get?
I got tractors. Cards. Cool. My own drawer.
Neat. What is that?
I don't know.
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Cool. You can buy popcorn. Cool. Jellyfish.
Neat. Play with those in the pool, huh? Cool, huh?
Yeah. Awesome. What is it?
I think it's for finding bugs.
Cool.
It's a magnifying glass. See how it makes things bigger?
Yep. I do know that. Cool. Awesome.
Is that a slinky?
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
Neat.
Yeah, you put it, you make it, you can put your stuff in it and your flowers too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, even to get their new donut. Even it can be a bridge. It goes different ways. Oh, even it can hold your paper too. What else I got? Easter egg candy.
Yummy.
Bubbles! Bubbles!
You like bubbles, don't you?
Yep. Fish!
You like them?
Yep. They're always every my own book! Book! I can color. I can do anything I want in here.
Neato.
Cool.
So what do you say to Great Grandma Dalkey?
Thank you.
Can you blow her a kiss? And happy Easter.
Happy Easter!